All right, so let's get started here. Happy Monday, everybody. So, real quick, your interactive sheet that I have there on Google Classroom should be completed by Wednesday. Get that done. I will also have a quiz posted by tomorrow, Monday, sometime. So, as you guys get through the reading for that particular lesson, answer the questions, then you want to take a look at the quiz. Okay, so make sure you're ready for that and try to have that done by the end of next week. You guys do have Thursday and Friday off. So, hopefully, you get it done by Wednesday so you guys can have your time to yourself for a 4-day weekend. So, real quick, I want to take you guys through the online book. Um, your username should be your last name, first initial, and then letter U and S, like for US. And then the password, welcome 2019, which you would log in there. And right now I'm using a student's account here just to show you guys from what you will see, not what the teacher will see. So I would click here, which would be my US history class. And then just simply click on classes. Or actually, you can still under browse, you just want to get to the text. So then once I get to the textbook, so now I'm going to go to the menu, table of contents, kind of show you guys. So that's going to be right over here. Okay. So I'm going to click the table of contents. Okay. And this is lesson 14. So I'm going to scroll to lesson 14, World War II. So we're doing the rise of the aggressors. And this is where you want to start working on your first lesson for World War II. So you can definitely stop to look at the videos. This is a primary source, which is an actual story of a war hero. I'm not gonna- So those are always good just to get that primer, people who actually lived during this event, get their story, some background, and then go to next. And then you have, again, we start with the text here, tells you your objectives, key terms that you're going to be dealing with, which you guys will see on your interactive notepad paper. And this is also another neat little video. I would watch it. And basically, a lot of things that he would explain, he gives some visuals there, kind of the same commentary I would give you regarding the war. So, like, again, it's always good to look at other sources there. And then as you go through the rest of the text here, for your terms, you can click on the little blue words there and it tells you the actual definition. So here you go. This is, take this, type this into your interactive notebook, and then you have your definition for your term. So I'm going to keep scrolling there, and then you can just exit out of that. And then continue to go on and read through the information. And as you read through the information, you should be able to answer your questions. Again, here's your individuals, where it's going to give you some more information that you need to write down. You can use this to scroll down and get more information. And so when you go to Google Classroom, you go here. Under instructions, it shows you there. Week of April 3rd to the 8th, World War II, Rise of Aggressors. And you click this here. And then you're going to fill in, you can just type in your terms on this paper here. So you can just type in there so you guys can see. Everybody will have their own sheet. For those of you that had Haldeman and Latham before, I know they use the interactive reading notepads quite often. So we'll be using these one for each week as we get through the lessons and as we finish up World War II. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys basically making sure everyone knows how to use the textbook, how to find an interactive notebook reading pad, fill this in, and then you're going to turn this in on Google Classroom. All right. And I will, and make sure you also sign, get the Zoom sheet signed as well. Your parents sign it. And then my plan next week is to have our first Zoom meeting so we can actually see each other. And then we can also discuss things if you guys have questions. Hopefully, that will give you guys a chance to feel a little relieved, not feeling like, oh, I have to email this. Everybody can kind of share their responses and share their feelings. And we'll try to do that at least once a week. So you guys have a good one, and thank you for chiming in. Have a good one.